Hello guys, welcome to my channel Simplify with Reshma. In my channel I'm going to teach you easiest and simplest way to learn mathematics. So let me start with the Samacheer Kalvi Government of Tamil Nadu Mathematics of Standard 8. So the first lesson we have numbers. So numbers, from before going into this lesson, so let's see what are the numbers. So we have first one, natural numbers. It is denoted by n and it starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. And next is whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted as w and it consists from 0 and after that natural numbers and goes on. Okay. Next is integers. Integers is denoted as z. So and it will consist of negative values as well as positive values and also 0. Okay, next is rational numbers. Rational numbers is denoted as q and it is of the form a by b where b is not equal to 0. So for example, it is of the type of fractions. Okay friends, next in this lesson we are going to see about rational numbers. So let me start with example friends, because examples are very important. So let me teach you from example. So example 1.1, see here, write the decimal forms of the following rational numbers. So we have to, these are the fractions they are given, so we have to convert it into a decimal forms. Okay, next first subdivision. So we are going to have 1 by 4 and we have to convert it into a decimal form. How will you convert? Just divide it. Okay, so first put numerator inside and denominator outside. So this is a single digit which is lesser than 4, so we have to put 0 point to get a 0 here. So after that 4 2s are 8. Okay, next balance 2, so have 1 0, then it becomes 4 5s are 20. Okay, so it becomes, answer becomes 0.25. This is decimal. This is point which is having is called as decimal. Okay friends, next one is 1 3 by 20. So this is a mixed fraction friends, so we have to convert it as a fraction and after that we have to divide. So how will you convert? Just multiply this 2. Okay, 20 into 1 it becomes 20. 20 plus 3 it becomes 23. So 23 by 20. Okay, after that we have to divide 23 20. So 1 20 ones are 20. We get balance 3. Okay, then after put decimal point. Okay, then we get 0 and it 1 times it becomes 20. So 10 balance. After that 25s are 100. Okay, comes 0. So the answer is 1.15. Okay students, next is minus 5 and 4 by 5. This is also a mixed fraction, so we have to multiply. See, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4 it becomes 29 by 5 and also the negative value. Okay, so we have to divide this. If we divide this, we will get minus 5.8. Okay friends, likewise see the another question. It is given 3. How will you convert this 3 into a decimal form? Okay, we can convert 3 in decimal form as we can put after that the point 0. Okay, so that means for 3 we can write as 3.0. Okay friends, just remember in the mind. So we can write for 3 as 3.0. If you want to convert the original value, we can convert into a decimal point as we can put point after that. Okay, next is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3333 and it goes on because it is a recurring and non-terminating value. Okay, next we'll just go to example 1.2. In example 1.2, we can see reduce to the standard form. That is 48 by minus 84. What do you mean by reduce into the standard form? Friends, see, we have to just divide and divide and divide to get a lowest fraction value. That's it. You should not convert into decimal at all because just we have to put it in the standard form. So we have to just divide and goes on till the division goes on, and next we have to make it into the common last value. Okay, so let me put, we have two methods here, so I'll just put first method. So reduce to the standard form 48 by minus 84. Okay, see here. So we have to just divide by, so you can see the numerator and denominator are even, so we can divide it by 2. Okay, first we divide by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Here 4 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So what we will get? Minus 24 by 42. Okay, this then again it has even number both the sides, so we'll divide it by 2. So 12 and 21, so it becomes minus 12 by 21. Now you see the numerator is in even and denominator is odd, so you can't divide this both. So you can see the which table it goes. It is going in 3 tables. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. So what is the answer, friends? Minus 4 by 20, minus 4 by 7. So this is the answer, and this method is also very easy. First method is very easy because we have to just divide it with your lowest prime values. Okay, so we'll get the answer minus 4 by 7. So next method, method 2, is we'll take the LCM of we can take the HCF of 48 and we can take a HCF of 84 and then divide. Okay, so let's take 48 HCF. So 2 times 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 times 1 2 and 2 times 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 times 2 3s are 6 and 3 1 time. Okay, and next 84, 2 in 2 tables, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. In 3 tables, 3 7s are 21, in 7 tables 1. So how will you find HCF? HCF of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and for 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So we have to take common values, friends. Okay, so these two we have 2 2 and 1 3. Okay, so now you multiply 2 into 2 into 3. What will you get? 2 into 2 4 and 4 3s are 12. So HCF is 12. So that means we have to divide numerator and denominator by 12. Okay, so when you will divide this, we'll get 4 by 7. Okay, this is another method which is somewhere long, but the first method is very easy, friends. You can try the first method. Okay, next I'm going to example 1.3. So see, in example 1.3 we have compare 5 by 17 and minus 10 by 19. Okay, so example 1.3 we have 5 by 17 and minus 10 by 19. So you know always that negative values are lesser than the positive values always. Okay, so in this we get the direct answer, friends. With seeing the question itself we can get direct answer, that is negative, this value is lesser than this positive value. It may be the denominator is not same, but if you see one positive value and negative value, you just can say the direct answer that minus 10 by 19 is less than 5 by 17. Okay, friends, next we'll go to example 1.4. So see example 1.4, it is given compare 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. In this also, if you see the question itself, we have the direct answer. That see we have denominators are same, and after that you have to see the numerator. It is 1 and it is 4. If the denominators are same, just compare the numerators. Okay, friends, so you know that 1 is lesser than 4, that means 4 is greater. Okay, we have the direct answer. Now go to example 1.5. In example 1.5, compare 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. In this we see that denominators are not same. If the denominator are not same, we have to make the denominator same and then we have to compare, friends. So for 4 and 6 we have not have denominator same, so we'll just have to take LCM. Okay, friends, so for example 1.5, so compare 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So denominators are not same, So we are taking LCM of 4 and 6. So in 2 table it goes 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. In 2 tables 1 time 3 time, and in 3 table 1 comma 1. Okay. Now you see 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. Okay. Now you take 3 by 4. How will you make denominator 12? Which table it comes? 4 3s are 12. If you multiply 3 in the denominator, you just have to multiply with numerator also. So we'll get 9 by 12. Okay. Next for 5 by 6. If you in which table? 6 2s are 12 you will get. Okay. 6 2s are 12, and if you multiply which number you are multiplying to the denominator, you have to multiply the same number with the numerator. So we'll get 10 by 2. Okay, now see the denominators are same and you have to compare the numerator now. So while you compare numerators, you can just find that 9 is lesser than 10. Okay, which is greater now? 5 by 6 is greater. So 3 by 4 is lesser than 5 by 6. But you have to put the original values, friends, which we have given in the question. You have to put that value here in the answer. You should not put these values. Okay, friends? Okay, this is the answer. Now we'll go to the next example, that is 9 by minus 4 and minus 2 by 3. In this also we have to do the same method. These denominators are not same, so we have to make the denominator same. So we are multiplying 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. So the same by numerators also. Okay, now we'll move on to the next example, example 1.7. So see, write the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order. So what are the ascending? Ascending is the smallest value to the biggest value, and descending means from the biggest value to the smallest value. Okay. Now they have given the numbers. So let me note down. So example 1.7, minus 3 by 5, 7 by minus 10, minus 15 by 20, 14 by minus 30, and minus 8 by 15. Now you see in the denominators all the values are different, but they are all divisible by 5. We have to take the LCM of all these. Okay, see 5, 10, 20, 30, 15, because we have to compare all those numbers. So we have to take LCM. So they are all divisible by 5. So we are taking the 5 value. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next, 2 table will take. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 3 we don't have. Okay. Next, 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 we don't have. Okay. Now 3 we are taking 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. It's over now. Now multiply this. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are 60. So LCM is equal to 60. So we have to take every number denominator must be 60. So minus 3 by 5. What will you get if you multiply? So 5 12s are 60. So multiply with the numerator also. It will get minus 36 by 60. Okay. 7 by minus 10. You can multiply by 6 and multiply by 6. You will get minus 42 by 60. Okay. Next, minus 15 by 20. Multiply by 3 with the both. So you will get minus 45 by 60. And for minus 14 by 30. So multiply by 2. You will get minus 28 by 60. Okay. Next, for this minus 8 by 15. You have to multiply 5. 15 4s are 60. And this one becomes minus 32 by 60. Now you see the ascending order. Ascending order is the smallest value to the biggest value. So the smallest value in these all are in the negative. Okay, you just first see this, all are in the negative. So if you have everything is negative, so negative means the smallest value will be the biggest one. Okay, so biggest number will be the smallest value. So now you have to take from the biggest. So minus 45 by 60 is the smallest value. After that minus 42 by 60. After that minus 36 by 60, after that minus 32 by 60, and last minus 28 by 60. Okay, now we have to put in the orders of the original values. So how will you put the numbers? You have to put like this. Minus 45 by 60 is minus 15 by 20. Okay, is lesser than, this one is minus 7 by 10 is lesser than, minus 3 by 5 is lesser than, minus 8 by 15 is lesser than, last one is minus 14 by 30. Okay friends, this is ascending, and for descending we have just put like this. Minus 14 by 30 is greater than, minus 8 by 15 is greater than. Okay, we have to just put from this side to this side. Okay friends, for descending order. So let me go into the next example. First, so see the next example. Find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 5 by 9. So when you have a rational number between means in the between these two numbers. So when you have like this question, we have to put a method, that is, one have to just add those numbers and divide it by 2. Because they have given those two numbers, we have to just add these two numbers and divide it by 2. Okay, this becomes average. So average middle point. So see, for example 1.8. So we have 1 by 3 and 5 by 9. So we have to do what we have to do, take average between these two numbers. So average, when we take average, we are going to divide it by 2. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 9. Okay, so you can't add those fractions because the denominators are not same. To make it same, we have to multiply by 3 because it becomes 9. Okay, now it happens 3 ones are 3 plus 5 the whole divided by 9 because they are same now. So what happens? 3 plus 5 becomes 8 by 9. So what happens now? 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. You can divide it by this way. And what is the answer? 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 is the average value. So that means that the rational number between 1 by 3 and 5 by 9 is the answer is 4 by 9. Okay friends, now let's go into the next problem, that is example 1.9. So in example 1.9 we have find at least two rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Okay, we have to find any two rational numbers. So let me start. So example 1.9. So minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Okay, so when you find out, you have to take denominators are different. So first we have to take the LCM. What will be the LCM? 4 5s are 20. So minus 3 by 4 into 5 into 5. Okay, it becomes minus 15 by 20. And for minus 2 by 5, it becomes 4 into multiply with 4. So minus 8 by 20. So now you see, you can have minus 8 by 20 here and minus 15 by 20 here. So minus 9 by 20, minus 10 by 20, minus 11 by 20, minus 12 by 20, minus 13 by 20, and minus 14 by 20. So this is the number line, you can see. So minus 8 by 20 comes here and minus 15 by 20 comes here, and between these are the rational numbers. So you can take any two rational numbers as an answer. Okay, you can write as minus 14 by 20 and minus 13 by 20 are the two rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and minus 4 by 8. So friends, I have taken example sums. Hope you understand friends. From the next class I am going to take exercise 1.1. So stay tuned and we'll meet in the next class. If you like my class, so please do subscribe my channel Simplify with Reshma friends. So hope you understand. Goodbye friends. Okay.